Are you still sorting your Excel data one column at a time and watching your previous sort completely fall apart? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you how to sort by. Here is what most people do wrong. They click the sort button on one column and then click sort on another column, but the first sort gets completely. Start by clicking anywhere inside your data table. Excel will automatically detect the full range for you. Next, go to the Data tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen and look for the Sort button, which opens. Inside the Custom Sort dialog, click Add. Level to add your first sort. Choose Department from the column drop-down so all departments are grouped together first. Then click Add Level. Look at the result. Finance, HR, and Marketing are all grouped together perfectly, and within each department the names are sorted A to Z without disturbing the department grouping. You just learned how to use Excel's custom sort to sort your data by multiple columns at the same time like a total pro. If this tip